Question number 3. This question is from forces and equilibrium. Forces and equilibrium. Coplanar forces of magnitude 8 Newton, 12 Newton, 10 Newton, and P Newton act at a point in the directions shown in the diagram. The system is in equilibrium. Find P and Q. Coplanar forces mean the forces acting on the same plane. These are the forces. We are making the diagram once again. So we may resolve the forces and find the components. The 12 Newton force, 8 Newton force making an angle 30 degree to the horizontal. This force is 10 Newton. This force is P Newton and making an angle theta degree. This angle is 45 degree. First we resolve these forces and find the rectangular components. 8 Newton force. These are the components. This angle is 90. 8 component 8 opposite to this angle 30. This component will be in sine 8 sine 30 degree. This component is 8 cos 30 degree. Now we resolve this force of 10 Newton, this component and this component. Angle is 90. This component opposite to the angle 45 will be in sine 10 sine 45 degree, and this component will be this component will be 10 cos 45. And now we resolve this force of P Newton, this component and this component. Angle is theta, so this component will be in sine P sine theta, and this component is P cos theta. Now we use the concept of equilibrium. Since the system is in equilibrium, for equilibrium, sum of sum of horizontal forces 0 and sum of vertical forces also 0. So first we will find the sum of horizontal forces 12 plus 8 cos 30 because the direction is same, and the other force that opposes along the x-axis is 10 cos 45 degree. We will subtract it, and another force that is P cos theta along horizontal. So we will find sigma x is equal to 0. 12 plus 8 cos 30 degree minus 10 cos 45 degree minus p cos theta is equal to 0. Sum of horizontal forces is equal to 0. And now the vertical forces, sum of vertical forces is also 0. This force, this force, and this is in opposite direction. So 8 sin 30 degree plus p sin theta minus 10 sin 45 degree is equal to 0. Now we will simplify these two equations. From the first equation, after simplifying, we get 11.857 minus p cos theta. We have simplified these terms. We get 11.857 minus p cos theta is equal to 0. Now we will simplify the second equation and we get p sin theta minus 3.07 is equal to 0. From here, p sin theta is equal to 3.07. Now, from this equation, we can also write p cos theta is equal to 11.857. Now, from these two equations, we are dividing this equation by this equation. Dividing, we get p sin theta over p cos theta is equal to 3.07 over 11.857. Cancellation of p's, sine over cos, that becomes tan. So we get tan theta is equal to 0.2589. From here, theta is equal to tan inverse 0.2589. We get theta is equal to 14.5 degree correct to one decimal place. Now putting this value of theta in any equation, we are putting this value of theta here. We get p. P is equal to, from this equation, p is equal to 3.07 over sine 14.516. We are here we will not use the rounded figure. Sine 14.516. So finally we get P is equal to, after calculation of, we get P is equal to 12.2 Newton correct to three significant figures. This is the answer. P is equal to 12.2 Newton correct to three significant figure, and the value of theta is 14.5 degree, correct to one decimal place. These are the answers